Hi, uh, the topic I am going to discuss today is on how to sense energy from higher dimensional beings and communication with spirit. We do know that there are different beings of light in spirit realms that are living around us, uh, uh, which is visible through our naked eyes. Also, if we start practicing how to pick and sense energy from these higher dimensional light beings, there are ways by which we can sense and feel energy from the spirit realms or higher dimensional beings. Practically speaking, we can see flashes of light as energy if you are using your psychic skills properly, or you can uh, see sparkles of light around you, or it could be even a big 2 feet tall white light. Probably you don't know how do you interpret it. It depends upon you whether you communicate with angels or fairies or spirits in higher realms. I have personally observed a spirit which was standing closer to me, which was of my size, and from researching on that topic, I found out that they are actually fairies. My interest in fairies and higher dimensional beings of light started when I started getting those sparkles of light coming around me, and images flashing around me as I was working on those spirits, basically on those realms. It is in fact audible to a human eye. We can see energy only. We can see the flashes of energy as sparkles of light, and you can see they're turning around you or directing you at different occasions. And to see them, we have to be in a state of zero tolerance. Those higher dimensional light beings will only appear to you if you are having a casual approach, or basically zero tolerance approach, I would say. Like having a, I mean, a layback attitude wherein anyone can come without compromising their ego or self. At that point, we would start seeing energies thrown by these higher dimensional light beings. Normally, these energies are easy to pick up when we see flashes of light passing around your eyes or sparkles of white light. They are basically energies. These are the energies which are visible to our physical realm, physical eyes. But those energies are the only way by which they can manifest in our realm. But in the ethers, they are already there. All these higher dimensional beings of light were part of the universe and are still part of the universe and will be the part of universe also. But the point I am talking about all this is there is a way by which we can develop psychic skills to improve how to feel and sense the energy from higher dimensional beings of light. This can be developed from a perspective of interest if you have, and you can start communicating with them also, as they will direct you to the towards the best life you want to have. My personal experience had started during this year. Basically, when we were all in lockdown, I had several occasions of seeing fairies. They basically direct you with the help of light. Initially, we may think it's just a glowworm or something like that, but then you start seeing flashes of 1 feet or lesser than that size of light images, just like how a tube light would flicker. And there is a way of interpreting it. The way I interpreted it was I had seen Angel of Jupiter about a fortnight back, more than a fortnight back, during last month. That was the time we had our I don't know, there was an eclipse or something next to that, before that actually. That was how I observed that we can in fact see fairies, and I had a way of interpreting what I saw that day, and I came to know that it was Angel of Mercury. Then there are different ways by which we can track. I mean, the leader of these higher dimensional beings of light, called Elohim, is of the size of not more than 5 or 6 feet, 5 feet. So they are not very uh, tall or something like that. But those energies which you feel around us as white feathers of light, or whatever white images next to you, they will be mostly, they are the beings that are powerful. Actually, humans are not that powerful. Humans can only show compassion to others, uh, to help others, but we don't have any powers like the higher dimensional beings of light. They are the ones who are having powers, and when we focus on trying to see them, they will guide us to the proper direction of our dreams. If we think to do something to others, or help others, these fairies and higher dimensional beings of light, they'll give you the proper guidance, I mean direction. Suppose suddenly, I mean normally that is how people would learn about angels or fairies when they are children. Like suddenly they feel lack of something, then they pray to these beings, and then they will come and land and show them some guidance. The same way is applicable to us also. If you see in that way, those beings will come and show us their own you know direction of where we need to go. Thing is that you need to have faith in those beings. It is proven that all these elementals are part of the earth. Like if you see most of the uh, crystals, they are used in different areas. Like if you see toothpaste, fluoride is a crystal that is being used daily for brushing teeth. If you see quartz is a crystal that is used in watches. If you see salt is a crystal. Water, these are all elements. These all of this crystal kingdom, which is composed of mineral spirits, they all are based on the elements on which they are made. These elements are earth, air, water, and fire. And the elemental kingdom that we call as angels or fairies or Elohim, they are all part of these elements only, which were there right from the beginning of the universe, and they are still part of the universe now also. So in fact, we cannot live apart from them or separate from them. We are all part of the same universe. So all these elementals, come from the basic elements like earth, air, fire, and water.